I'm Quinlan Witt. I am a junior at Waterford Union High School, and I am enrolled in the Youth Apprenticeship program here at Heinemat Inc.
Heinemat Incorporated is located in Franklin, Wisconsin. We make automatic drilling and tapping equipment, and we've been around since roughly 1950. With the Youth Apprenticeship program is assisted our business in one. Last summer, we had a couple of the high school students working here at Heinemat, and they filled in quite nicely when we had an individual that was out for a bit, and they helped fill the gap. So that alone was helpful, but we also, with the people that are here that want to mentor the young adults, has turned out to be a great win-win for all of us.
Since I've been here, I learned the basic programmings of Chinook controls on the CNC lathes, and also doing some program on the old Bridgeport over by one of our other workers.
Get into apprenticeship program if you can. There's many different kinds to get into, but you got to try it. It'll certainly give you the ability to decide, is this for me or not? Quinn is doing a fantastic job here at Heinemat. When he came in first, very quick learner was the response from Dale, who's the one that he mentors with. To give you an example, how well that mentorship's going. Last new machine we bought, Dale spearheaded bringing it up to speed and getting it running, and one of the first things he said, something I can show Quinn eventually, because that would be a good thing for him to work on too. So I felt that's great. Knowledge is very powerful, and don't be afraid to grasp on the new projects and learn whatever you can.
My grandpa, he's a over 40-year experienced machinist. He worked at Milwaukee Cylinder in Milwaukee. Not along with that, my great-grandpa was a machinist. Also, my other side, my great-grandpa was a machinist, and many others. I think I was kind of born to be a machinist. It's kind of running through our blood. The only one that hasn't done it is my dad. I'm Quinlan Witt, and I'm a fifth-generation machinist.